The skies tremble as a new force emerges. A new predator takes flight, redefining the boundaries of aerial dominance. Japan, renowned for its technological innovation and precision engineering, unveils its latest masterpiece, the Mitsubishi F-X. This is not just another fighter jet, it represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology. It is a quantum leap, a sixth-generation marvel that pushes the envelope of what's possible. The F-X is a game-changer in the world of aerial warfare, setting new standards for combat effectiveness. Forget what you know about dogfights. The F-X changes the rules of engagement. With its advanced stealth capabilities, the F-X renders traditional dogfights obsolete. It operates in a realm of speed and stealth previously unimaginable, outpacing its predecessors. This is a machine born from necessity, crafted to meet the demands of modern warfare. Japan faces growing threats in the Asia-Pacific region, and the F-X is its strategic response. The F-X is its answer to these challenges, and the world watches closely as it takes to the skies. Russia, China, the United States, all are keenly observing this new development. Everyone wants to understand this new player in the field of aerial combat. The F-X has arrived, and with it, a new era of air combat begins, heralding a future where the skies are dominated by cutting-edge technology. Speed is key to survival. The F-X embodies this principle. It laughs at the sound barrier, effortlessly cruising at hypersonic speeds. Mach 5, Mach 6, even higher. The numbers are staggering. Imagine this. The enemy scrambles its jets. They are too slow. By the time they detect the F-X, it's too late. The F-X has already struck, deep behind enemy lines. A surgical strike, devastating, and then it's gone. But speed is not enough. The F-X is also incredibly agile. It can dance through the sky, dodging enemy missiles with ease. This agility, combined with its speed, makes it nearly untouchable. Seeing is not believing. The F-X is a phantom, a whisper in the wind. Its stealth technology is light years ahead of anything else. Radar becomes useless. The F-X is invisible. Plasma stealth. This is the key. The F-X can cloak itself in a layer of plasma. This plasma absorbs radar waves, rendering the jet virtually invisible to enemy sensors. A ghost in the machine. And what if the F-X takes a hit? No problem. Its skin is self-healing. Microscopic nanomachines constantly repair minor damage, ensuring the jet remains airborne and operational. The future of warfare is here. Artificial intelligence in military aviation is transforming the landscape of modern combat. The F-X is not just a machine. It represents a new era of intelligent warfare. It is a thinking, learning entity capable of adapting to new challenges in real time. Artificial intelligence permeates every system, from the avionics to the weaponry. From navigation to targeting, the AI assists the pilot, making split-second decisions with superhuman precision. This level of support allows the pilot to focus on strategy and mission objectives. Imagine a swarm of drones working in perfect harmony with the F-X. These drones act as force multipliers, extending the reach and capabilities of the fighter jet. The AI coordinates their movements, turning them into an extension of the jet itself. This seamless integration creates a formidable force on the battlefield. This is the future of warfare, man and machine working together as one. The synergy between human intuition and AI precision is unparalleled. The pilot becomes a commander, overseeing the battlefield from a digital throne. With a comprehensive view of the combat zone, they can make informed decisions swiftly. The AI analyzes data, identifies threats, and recommends courses of action. This constant stream of information ensures that no detail is overlooked. The pilot, with their instincts and experience, makes the final call. Together, they form an unbeatable team, ready to face any challenge that comes their way. Section 5. A New Era, the F-X and Global Power Dynamics. The world takes note. The introduction of the F-X marks a significant shift in global military dynamics, capturing the attention of nations worldwide. The F-X is not just a technological marvel, it is a statement of intent, innovation, and strategic foresight, showcasing Japan's commitment to advancing its defense capabilities. Japan, once hesitant to assert military might, steps onto the world stage. This new era sees Japan embracing a more proactive defense posture, signaling its readiness to protect its sovereignty and interests. The balance of power shifts. The introduction of the F-X alters the strategic calculations in the Asia-Pacific region, compelling neighboring countries to reassess their military strategies. China, with its burgeoning military, now faces a formidable opponent. The F-X challenges China's dominance, introducing a new level of competition in aerial warfare. The United States, long the dominant force in the Pacific, sees a potential ally in Japan's technological prowess. This partnership strengthens the security framework in the region, enhancing collective defense capabilities. The geopolitical landscape is redrawn, alliances are tested, and new partnerships are forged as nations navigate the evolving power dynamics. The F-X is a game-changer, no doubt. Its advanced technology and capabilities set a new standard for modern air combat, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. But it is also a symbol of Japan's resurgence as a key player on the global stage, determined to defend its interests and contribute to regional stability, a symbol of Japan's determination to defend its interests. This new aircraft embodies the nation's resolve to protect its sovereignty and maintain peace in the region, a symbol of its technological leadership. The F-X showcases Japan's cutting-edge advancements in aerospace engineering and military technology. The future of air combat is here. With the F-X, Japan is at the forefront of next-generation aerial warfare, setting the stage for future innovations. And it wears the rising sun. This emblem signifies Japan's pride and commitment to its defense, heralding a new chapter in its military history.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.